I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. You may not see them, but useless things lurk in a Word document, scary things that can mess up formatting later. These include spaces, tabs, and enter-key presses.
I'm frightened.
Don't be, because you can eliminate these unwanted twins. There.
One I can deal with.
So can Word, and I'll start with spaces. When word processing, there should be no spot in your document with more than 2 spaces in a row, not 1. Yes, the days of typewriters are long gone. 2 spaces in a row can mess up formatting. Further, never use spaces like this to line up text. Due to the way Word sets its type, spaces vary in size. When you try to line up indents with spaces like this, it looks ugly. Now, to remove these excess spaces, you can use Search and Replace. Press the Control-H keyboard shortcut, type 2 spaces, and replace with 1 space. Replace all. Now, here's the problem. It doesn't really remove all of them at once, so you need to keep doing it until all the double spaces are gone. Like that. Now you can use tabs to properly line up a list. Speaking of tabs, you can use the same process to eliminate 2 tabs in a row, because just like spaces, you should never have more than 2 tabs in a row. Instead, use tab stops to set the tab width. And in this document, I will click the Show Hide command. You see that multiple tabs are used to line up this list. This is completely unnecessary. To eliminate the tabs, press Control-H again to bring up the Replace dialog box, and of course the H stands for what the heck is the Replace keyboard shortcut. This time you're going to type the tab special character, click More, and then Special, and you want the tab character. Now the tab character is abbreviated "T". Type another one for another tab, because you can just type them in like this, and replace it with a single tab. Replace all. And do it again, and do it again, and the tabs are gone. Now you can go ahead and line up everything using tab stops on the ruler. First, show the ruler. And now, what is this here? It looks like a tab stop already. Select the list, make sure you have a left aligned tab stop here, and set it on the ruler. There. Everything is lined up perfectly, plus there's only 1 tab stop, which doesn't mess up the formatting. The final thing to check for are enter characters. Press Control-H again, and the special character for the enter key, I'll just bring it up here so you can see that I'm not making this up, is "P". And now you need a double "P", because you're looking for 2 of them, and you want to replace them with 1. Replace all. 7 were found. Now let's do it again. 1 replacement and 1 more. Let's see if we keep on. We might just be stuck here. Let's call it good.
Now how do I fix things?
Well, it's easy. Just look at the document. So in this case, if you actually want more space after a paragraph, select the paragraph, go to the Layout tab, and you want spacing after. Here's where you add the space, just like that. Don't double up on the enter keys, because again, it messes up your formatting.
This seems like a lot of work.
Well, it is, mostly because you improperly used spaces, tabs, or enter key presses when you created the document.
So what's the point?
By eliminating these twins, you won't have any formatting problems down the road.
Will the movie still be scary?
Oh yes, very much so.
Oh no!
My books are available wherever books are available.